Clothing phrasal verbs with meanings. Get dressed. Put on clothes in preparation for going out. Button up. To fasten something with buttons. Get undressed. Take off clothes, usually in preparation for going to bed. Put on. To wear for the first time. Take off. To remove clothes. Roll up. To fold sleeves of shirt. Try on. To put on clothes to see if they fit or look good. Hang out. Dry clothes outside after washing. Hang up. Put something on a hook or hanger. Tuck in. To place the bottom part of shirt inside your t-shirt or trousers. Thank you.